Hi, I'm Kara, and I am one of the co-creators of the Know and Love personality quiz for kids that you just took for your kiddo. And I see that you got an Otter kid. Otter kids are those kids that keep you on your toes. You know the phrase, it takes a village to raise a child? I'm pretty sure they had Otters in mind when they created that phrase because it literally takes a village to raise this child. They are high energy and it requires a lot of energy to parent them and to stay 2 steps ahead of them. Otters are extroverts with a spark of pizzazz and are confident and outgoing and always ready for the spotlight. They love attention. There's never a dull moment with Otters. They're super fun kids and I really enjoy being around them. I like to think of Otters as having a built-in surveillance system in their brain. They notice all the details, sights, sounds, smells, tastes. They're constantly scanning their environment for new things. And if they see something they're curious about, they will immediately go to it to figure out what it is or what it feels like or what it tastes like. They don't necessarily think about the risk involved or the consequences or if they should be doing that or shouldn't be doing that. They don't really think about rules. They just see something they're curious about and they need to figure it out. I have a very special place in my heart for Otters because I have an Otter daughter, and she has taught me more about what it looks like to have patience in my parenting than any of my other kiddos. Otter kids need adults who understand that they live life hands-on. And I like to tell my daughter that her hands hold a lot of power. They can help people or they can hurt people. And I talk more about this in the Otter guidebook below and some other parenting challenges when it comes to this kiddo. The last section of the guidebook is actually my favorite because we asked hundreds of Otter adults this question. What is one thing that you wish your parents would have understood about you as a child that you can share with other parents of Otters? And we got some pretty awesome feedback that we provided for you in the guidebook. It's helped me in my parenting and understanding my Otter child as well. So check out the Otter guidebook below. It's jam-packed with helpful tools on how to know and love your Otter kiddo.